हेलो सुपर अचीवर्स। चलो आज डायरेक्टली टॉपिक में जाते हैं। आज का टॉपिक है हाउ टू बिल्ड ए करियर इन कंप्यूटेशनल बायोलॉजी एंड बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स। क्योंकि मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, सर हाउ वी कैन बिल्ड ए करियर इन कंप्यूटेशनल बायोलॉजी। मैं आज बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स को इंटीग्रेट कर दिया क्योंकि बोथ आर ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होगा। आज हम लोग क्या क्या देखेंगे। टुडे विल सी व्हाट इज कंप्यूटेशनल बायोलॉजी एंड बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, which are the good institutes where you can have your bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD. Then the skills that you should develop while you are studying, while you are in your academics, and the roadmap, simple steps. If you are really interested, stay with me for 8 to 10 minutes. छोटा छोटा step है and easy steps है, you can understand better. And don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And I'm requesting because I'm building a community of big super achievers. It is possible through you only. The more and more you share and subscribe my channel, and I can reach millions of people like you. So चलो देखते हैं पार्ट 1 क्या है। पार्ट 1 is what is computational biology and bioinformatics. From the word computational biology means biology plus computer science. So it is an integration of your biology and data generally. Computer science means data analysis, जो कि मेजर पार्ट पढ़ाई होता है कंप्यूटेशनल बायोलॉजी में. It is biology, math and computer science. While bioinformatics is your genomics study, sequencing, then your drug discovery में यूज होता है, then your cancer research में भी यूज होता है, AI based disease detection, prediction. Nowadays we can predict which disease is going to happen to you. This is the application of artificial intelligence and personalized medicines. That means the biology or science where it meets artificial intelligence. चलो थोड़ा से अभी देखते हैं व्हाट इज सीक्वेंसिंग. आई जस्ट टॉक नो अबाउट जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग. हम लोग क्यों करते हैं? It is an entire DNA instruction manual. Why do we do? To know how our body works, to find out the root cause of any disease, for personalized medicine, early detection and prevention of disease, early diagnostic of disease, cancer treatment, drug and vaccine development, agriculture and food processing. Everywhere this sequencing is being used nowadays. Part 2, why this career has a massive future. Genomic sequencing, the cost earlier, if you see, it was around 1 crore, but nowadays it is around 10,000 rupees. So when the cost decreases, what happens? Everyone can access for this sequencing. So definitely the demand is going to increase like anything, and more we are getting diseased people, isn't it? Due to our lifestyle, due to our mindset, whatever it is. So that's why people will go for this. Early detection of disease or prediction of disease also can be made. And pharma biotech companies are being data driven. Everything is data driven. From data only we can see how many people are going for this disease. ये disease हो सकता है, ये होने से ये disease हो सकता है. So massive requirement है. And the top recruiters generally medicine manufacturing companies, Novartis, Pfizer and Roche. This, Novartis, they have developed a injection that is around 1 crore rupees for cancer treatment. Just imagine what is happening. So who are working on this? These people, bioinformatics, computational biologist, they are working behind this. Other people are also there. I'm just talking about computational biology and bioinformatics. And again, there are options, recruitment in startups, research data labs. There you can have also opportunities. Now let's go to the third, best colleges to study. Definitely government colleges, you can see, as you can see in the screen, IITs or NITs, and private colleges lot of good private colleges around nowadays. It is available. Please choose. This is the first thing that you have to choose. Good college, so that you get opportunity to learn what is bioinformatics, biotechnology, have the hands-on experience. You can use the tools. Okay. Now, the skills that you should develop while you are in your academics. What are the skills? And be choosy. You have to choose here. And the skills should be Python. It's a programming language. R programming language, statistics and probability, genomics tools like BLAST, FASTA, NGS basics. These tools you should know how to use, and data analysis tools also. The high paying skills like machine learning and data science. These are the high paying skills. ये हो गया आपका fourth part. Now let us go to the last part, which is roadmap. Roadmap. See, if you are really interested to make a career in computational biology, I am talking about the students, those who are in class 10 and parents. While choosing your stream in class 11, please take PCMB, because mathematics is required, statistics is required in your computational biology. When you are going for UG course, undergraduate course, BSc or BTech, then MTech, there it is required. So PCMB, then you choose your BSc or BTech in biotechnology, and while you are studying, learn the Python and basic, do some little small projects and show up. You can add in your profiles, make a profile in LinkedIn, right? And I'm just now giving you one of the examples. Her name is Priya Vidyanathan, BTech in biotechnology, MTech in bioinformatics, and now she is working in California. That's Illumina, that is in USA, and she is leading this is genomic research. It is possible. She did her PhD from USA. There he got recruited. Second is Dr. Drebbaka Senbukta from MSc Bioinformatics. He is a doctor, PhD holder, MSc Bioinformatics, then PhD. Then Saini Abraham. It is from Manipal to now she studies from the Cambridge. So it is possible. You can also build a career in computational biology and bioinformatics. And be careful. Don't choose the stream just because it is hype. That means shows that lot of opportunities and I can work in global companies. Not like that. You have to choose as per your domain interest. इसमें आपका interest है. Biotechnology से different domains है. Like clinical research is also domain, isn't it? So, or plant biotechnology, agriculture biotechnology. So choose your domain as per your interest. This is all about today's video, how to build your computational biology and bioinformatics career. If you need any help, I am there to help you out. Okay, please share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. All the love, all the power.